Hello, it's me, Jimmy T. Merriweather with PMU Now. Today, talk about thermal stencil printer. This is Phomemo M08F. So far, I love these machines. Okay, I would say this is very good for beginner, or you're the first machine, or even professional. You can use it.
The reason I buy this printer because of they have a very good review. But in this episode, I will go through the bad review as well to see did I able to solve the problem, including open box, print from computer, from iPhone or iPad, Phomemo app and their basic features, printing quality, and more. So let's start. Open box. Some Phomemo thermal stencil paper, USB-A to USB-C cable, a USB-C adapter, user manual. They have different color as well. How about print from computer? It is plug and play. I am using Windows 10. I do not need to install any driver. The thermal stencil paper they come with is not bad. All thermal printer paper they come with 4 pieces. Prepare to print. You just need to keep the first and the third one. Hold this button for 3 seconds.
See, when they detect, they will load the paper in. So now I print using direct print. Okay. Pretty much plug and play when I'm using Windows 10 from Phomemo.
You should able to print from any apps.
Okay, you might need to open it up a little bit to release the paper.
Install the Phomemo apps. They detect my printer when I turn on the apps. Right now I'm using pairjob.net. Transfer files between PC to iPad. Go to your PC and iPad. Use any Internet Explorer. Type in pairjob.net on both PC and iPad. But make sure you are on the same network. This is one of the easiest ways to transfer files between PC and Apple products. The image I generate from ChatGPT and remove the background by using Photoshop. I create another image using Procreative to tracing the outline manually. Try collage. You can choose up to 3 images. You can adjust the size. Or choosing different layouts. Let's try the free editing. Here you can see the image size. Change millimeters or inches. You can adjust the size or move around. You can see the dimensional reading change. you can replace to another image. By the way, this image I generated by CG Dream. Check the link below. Right now, PO3 is the best option in this situation. Adjust to the setting you want. Print. You can adjust the print setting as well. I'm just using the default setting. Phomemo Thermal Stencil Paper. Hold this button for 3 seconds. Connect it. Let's try another image. That's one I hand joined by using Procreate. On the filter, I just using original. The brand is right here. Clean up the patty skin by using alcohol. I tried to test, did they able to print very thin line, 0.5 point, almost the thinnest line you can print. How about the printable margin? Top and bottom margin is shift up a little bit. Left and right margin is almost you can print to the edge. Here is my suggestion. 8 inch by 8 inch is the max. And center the image when you print. Let's take a look at some bad review. This is the major bad review. Yes, the machine I bought is good for A4 size. And they have a version is 8.5 by 11. 8.5 by 11 should fit either A4 size or letter size. This is the version I bought. Look at the description in Amazon. They did not put any size description. They should put A4 size somewhere. Otherwise, we will be so confused. And of course, I have a Spirit. I use scissor to trim the size down. And of course, Spirit is better quality. But Phomemo paper, quality is still not bad at all. But when I order Spirit from Amazon, the delivery time is long. And then they keep extending my delivery time. I'm working on a video to compare the different quality of stencil paper. And I saw some cannot connect with iPhone or iPad. I will say update your iPhone iOS or re-download the Phomemo apps. I try to print from iPhone and iPad is no problem. The major reason I like this printer because they can print direct from computer. Easier for me to control exactly the size I want to print. Direct to print from Photoshop or Illustrator is okay. I have another printer before. Very difficult to connect the printer to computer. They need a passcode to connect. Email the manufacturers, ask for the passcode, of course no response. Some paper loading issues. Let me try some other brand.
So now they detected, okay? Now they detected, but didn't load in. You get what I'm saying? How about this? I move this computer away. So, okay. Let me one more try. Now this brand I'm using is that one. Okay? Are you facing the same problem? Are you facing the same problem? Okay, pretty much. Now you have a solution. Open it up and load it in. Now some people load it in like this. So let me try load it in like this, see what's going on. Okay? Okay, they don't detect the paper. Okay, basically, I don't know. Okay, they might, okay, they on is mean they maybe detect the paper. So now if I do about right here and then see what's going on. So now see, can you able to see it? They loaded it in. So I would suggest you to using when you load it, it's about right here.
Another thing I like this printer. When the printer have no paper, they will turn it off right away. Now you see that? If this product is defective, you should able to ask for replacement. See, the delivery time is November 13, 2024. You should able to do a replacement 2 months. I use this machine over than a month. Print over 100 pieces. Still working fine on my end. I'm totally understand what do you feel, but hope this is a solution for you. You might facing this problem. These stencils spread out, but how to make a good stencil on practice skin? In this class, I'm going to show you how to make a perfect stencil, especially on practice skin. This class has 3 sections. Before I cannot even make a stencil. This poor quality how I can practice. Ink spread out issue, I solve it. Even on shadow, I can see very fine line on my practice skin. No ink spread issue. White out by using Vaseline, the stencil still stay very well. If you're having the same problem to making a good stencil, this video is perfect for you. It's almost take me 2 months to figure it out. I bought a lot of different products, different name brand, in different combination, different tests. Don't keep wasting your time and money. You will see significant result on your end. In the free section, I will show you what product I'm using, which brand, procedure step by step. No credit card required. At the pay section, I will show you how I set up the files. Color setting. More in-depth report. Downloadable files. Little bit more knowledge can save your money and time. Let me show you how little bit more can make a big difference. Here we go. The link is in the description. And see you in my class. Inkjet stencil sample is available in my store. I have another class as well. And we'll see you soon.